Are you tired of waiting for a tax refund every year?
You wait and you wait and you wait and you wait.
What if I told you there's a way to increase your paycheck and keep more of your money in your pocket throughout the year?
Why you always lying?
In today's video, I'll show you how to do just that using the T1213 form. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you watch this video till the end. What is the T1213 form? It's a CRA form that allows you to request a reduction in tax deductions at the source. This means that, if approved, you'll pay less withholding tax on each paycheck, resulting in a larger paycheck instead of a lump sum tax refund at the end of the year. Who is eligible for this request? Well, there are a few requirements you need to meet. First, you must be up to date on your taxes and have no outstanding balance with the CRA. You also need to have an overpayment on your taxes due to deductions and non-refundable tax credits, such as RRSP contributions, childcare expenses, family support payments, employment expenses, medical expenses, donations, carry forward tuition amounts, rental losses, etc. If you have one of these deductions or tax credits, you may be eligible for the T1213 form. Now, how does it work? It's simple. Just fill out the T1213 form and provide supporting documents that prove your upcoming deductions or tax credits. Once you complete the form and attach supporting documents, send them to the Sudbury Tax Center. Response time is usually 4 to 6 weeks, but it can take up to 3 to 4 months. To be safe, it's best to send in your form around September, October, so your request will be processed for January, the beginning of the tax year. And keep in mind that you'll need to update and resend a form every year you want this to be in effect. Once the CRA reviews your request, they'll determine the amount of tax you're expected to pay for the year. The CRA will issue a letter of authority to your employer stating how much withholding tax can be reduced from your paycheck. Let's look at a quick example using some made-up numbers. If you plan to contribute $18,000 to your RRSP, you may receive a $6,000 tax return. But if you use the form T1213 and prove you plan to make reoccurring contributions totaling $18,000, that $6,000 will be divided into all remaining paychecks of the year. So if you get paid bi-weekly and have 26 paychecks a year, you'll have an extra $230 per check because of the reduced taxes. So in essence, you're trading a big tax return for bigger paychecks. How can you use this to your advantage? When you have a big tax return, this means you overpaid the government and gave them an interest-free loan. When you use the T1213 form and receive bigger paychecks, you are putting your money in your pocket sooner. So this is the better choice financially. So instead of the $6,000 tax refund, let's say you decided to invest that extra $230 bi-weekly. If you invested in an S&P 500 index that returns an average of 10% a year, after 1 year, your portfolio will be worth $6,281.84. But you don't get your tax refund till sometime in April, so you actually get another 3 months of growth, which will be $158.36. So what sounds better? $6,000 tax refund or a $6,440 investment portfolio? The sooner you get your money, the quicker you can put it to work. What if you have high interest debt? If you have high interest debt, waiting till tax season to pay it off could mean a year of paying extra interest. With extra cash flow from your paycheck, you can pay off your debt sooner and save money on interest. Now, I know some of you may prefer to receive a big tax refund to save up for a special purchase like a vacation. However, keep in mind that letting the government hold on to your money means you won't have access to it in case of an emergency. But by receiving more money each month, you can put it in your own high interest savings account and have access to it whenever you need it. All in all, the T1213 form is a valuable tool that can help you increase your paycheck by reducing the amount of tax that is withheld. It keeps more money in your pocket throughout the year instead of having to wait till tax season for a tax refund. Now, if you're interested in investing that extra cash flow, check out the video on the right of the screen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace!